Gotta check out this. It's a UK military workshop toolbox / work cabinet, and it was given to me by a friend of the family because they were closing their workshop up, and they were quite fans of Fallout, and she has painted and decorated the whole thing in the Fallout theme. It's done that almighty and amazing job, the whole thing. Now it's mine. And everybody's favourite, the best of all the games, Fallout New Vegas. Yeah, check that out. Inside we've got the mechanic and bobbleheads. And then we've just got this sort of standard trays. Fill that with various odds and sods. Some tools. Sockets and ratchets. But yeah, very cool, very heavy. Very cool and very heavy. Awesome.